Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your money from eBay. Okay, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you like the new feature which was introduced by eBay, which is like the express payout to get your payments in just 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. So that's exactly how long it takes now to transfer money to your credit card from eBay to your credit card in just 30 minutes. But when you are transferring to a bank account, it's going to take 1 to 3 business days, okay, and with zero fee. But when you are transferring, if you want to transfer money as soon as possible in just 30 minutes, you are going to pay a small fee, which is like $1 to $2, okay. It depends on the amount you are trying to withdraw. Okay, so before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can guys drop a like on this video. That would be highly appreciated. Okay, so let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on my eBay in the top right, and you want to click on selling. Okay, it's going to take you guys to the dashboard of your eBay, as you can see. If it doesn't take you to this page, you want to search for eBay Seller Hub. Okay, eBay Seller Hub. Okay, and then you want to click on the first result, and it's going to take you guys to eBay Seller Hub. Okay, it's going to take you to this page. Okay, so after that you want to click on payments. Okay, now after guys you click on payments, you want then you will be able to see here your total funds. Okay, your available funds, you will see it here. Okay, and also you will see like the pending funds. Okay, here you will see the available funds. Now if you see here your funds here you will be able to see request money, request payout here. Okay, just click on it. Because I'm using this eBay, it's suspended, I'm just using this for videos like this. I have like my other eBay accounts, so just need to click here on request payment, and you will be able to request this amount, any amount you have on your eBay store, to your credit card or bank account. Okay, now you can also use the new feature, which is express payout. You just need to scroll down, and here you will be able to click something that says express. Okay, keep in mind that you will have to pay a small fee. You can also click here, it says payouts. In the payouts you can click on payout schedule. You want to click on manage, and you can change the payout schedule. If you don't want to use that transfer money quickly thing, you know, that feature, you don't want to use it, or you don't want to transfer money manually, you can just select here, for example, transferring money daily. Automatically you will find the money in your bank. Okay, for example, I'm going to go with daily. I want to receive payouts daily. Click on save, and now payouts will be sent to you every single day without you doing anything. Okay, of course, after like customers receive their orders, after it says here available funds. Okay, when the funds are available, then you will be able to go to your bank account every single day. Okay, you will be able to withdraw any amount you have on your available section here. You will be able to withdraw it to your own like bank account. Okay, like I said, you can change the payout schedule. You can also change the payout method here. If you click on manage, you will be able to change the payout method. Okay, so if you want to add, for example, your credit card, your Visa card, so that you can withdraw money to your Visa card, you can do that by clicking on add cards, and you want to click on payouts. Okay, but you can also add Payoneer account. If you live outside of the United States, you can add here Payoneer account to receive payments to your Payoneer. Okay, every single day. The same thing applies with bank accounts. You can like request money immediately, or you can just change this payout schedule to every day, so that you can start receiving payments every single day. Okay, you can also change the selling cost payment method. You can selling cost, I want selling cost to be charged on my Payoneer, okay, account. That's why I have added here my Payoneer, as you can see, payment method, which is like Payoneer. You can click on manage, and you can change that too. Okay, that's exactly what you need to do. You can change also the selling costs. Okay, so to withdraw money, I already guys showed you how you can do that. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and if there is anything you don't understand, just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone, guys. And yeah, see you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like, and see you in the next video.